Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and right now I'm going to make a Brandy Alexander drink for you with just 3 ingredients. First, let's fill up a mixing glass like this with full of ice cubes. And I'm going to pour in 60 ml of brandy. Okay. Next is to pour in 30 ml of dark cream of cocoa. So I'm just going to drop it in. And then goes in 30 ml of thick cream. Either you can mix in using a shaker like this or blend this out. So for now, I'm just going to blend it and shall come back. Now we got our Brandy Alexander blended out. We can pour it into a chilled glass like this. Wow, it looks so good. And for garnish, you can use some grated nutmeg. So, here it goes. Cheers to all. I'm sure you guys will really enjoy this drink. It's really rich, chocolatey, and this dark cream of cocoa works perfectly. Thanks for watching. Make sure you will like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.